But that made me think, like the poem makeup, sometimes people understand that poem as me saying people shouldn't wear makeup or, but really it's about self-esteem. Although, in fact, I believe makeup is not necessary, well, in some cases, yeah, but not necessary, just helpful. Ladies, you need to bring your A game, because nowadays, I saw something on the internet the other day. There's a guy who was marrying a donkey. He was having a ceremony, it was wearing a dress. And then there was another one where a guy was marrying a dog. So now anyone can replace you. Okay, so ladies, you need to just make sure. Just make sure. It could be a food stuff next time. It could be, apples or bacon. Yeah, I can picture a guy writing a poem about bacon. Like he'll probably come to a slam and be like this, come. Hello, my name is Legion Ngulube. This poem is called Ode to Bacon. Thank you. Bacon! We never knew you. Yours the sweet savor of a Saturday morning. Scintillating scent transcending space and perhaps time. Titillating taste teasing tongue and perhaps mind. Placed on plates while I cleared the palate. Amongst taste buds you had pride of place. My mouth was your palace. Bacon. You who moved from forbidden fruits to breakfast staple. Oh, the hopeless emptiness when you are absent from the breakfast table. Devoured in a flurry of gobbledygook, we chowed and munched and gobbled. Now look, all that remains is a plate marked with grease stains and the unspoken question lingering in our brains. Does it really come from a pig's rear end?